As I look out the window from the helicopter, there are fires in various directions. We're talking about a large area where there are multiple fires burning and now multiple neighborhoods being touched at the same time. I just want to make that really clear. This isn't like one specific body of flames that these crews are trying to chase. They've already got tankers showing up. They've got helicopters over here. They are trying to flood the zone with structure protection, and they will do so at all costs to save as many structures as possible. But as you're seeing from our pictures, there is already flames surrounded by homes, homes surrounded by flames. At this point, we have not seen any properties actually touched yet, but the threat is imminent.
When the houses started to burn, I didn't see one single fire truck out here at all. Zero. If they had some fire trucks and just put a squirt here, a squirt there, and kept an eye on things, all these houses would be here now. I'm telling you right now, I saw it with my own eyeballs. All these houses. The houses behind me, they're all gone. They started with one little spark, one little small fire. They just squirted those out, had a few people out there. They'd all be here now. Some things in life are worth fighting for, you know? I mean, if I were to lose this house, it would be very difficult to afford to be able to build a new house, to pay the enormous property taxes they have here. What would I do?